Yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're doing the first drive of my cone filter that I fitted in my last video. I'm going to be taking it for the first drive today and hearing it, and hopefully we can hear some of the sounds through the camera. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more of these sort of videos. You know, we got the lights going on down there, we got a few stuff happening. Let me just get out of the car and show you guys what the car's looking like. So that guy's bugging, but yeah, that's what the car's looking like. You know, I'm driving a Corsa. It's got a few mods, not that much, you know, we got the basic mods with it, but yeah, we're pretty much going to be taking it for a little spin. And yeah, let's just get going. Hopefully we can hear some of the sounds. You know, that's the whole point of this. You want to hear some of the sounds of the car, and that's the whole point of this drive. You know, I just installed it basically yesterday, and I've just been itching to just rev it and just like have like a proper driver fit and see how it goes. I had to do a big fat juicy U-turn from here. Actually no, I can just go the other way. No, I can go. This car is so loud. Oh my days, when you're in first gear and you put your foot down, jeez, this car is ridiculous. Like, what the fuck? No, that's ridiculous, man. That's ridiculous. Oh my days. This like, what the fuck? I don't know whether you guys can hear what I'm hearing, but oh my days, that's actually ridiculous. Oh my. Fuck it up. Nah, mate. Nah. This shouldn't be a thing. It shouldn't be a thing, man. I didn't cone filters to your car, yeah? Illegal. Should be illegal. What the fuck? Fucking hell. Oh my days. This guy's a psycho, fam. Fucking hell. This car's fucking taking a piss, man. Like, this piss take. Absolute piss take. Fucking hell, man. All these roads are 20s. What's this guy doing? Why is this guy driving at 2 miles per hour? What is this guy doing? What the fuck is this? Is this guy is he joking? Why is this guy driving at 2 miles per hour, fam? Is this guy good? There's no one here, boss. No, this guy's violating me. Did you guys hear that? Like, what? This car, yeah? Like, this air filter is ridiculous. Maybach outside. Like, if you tap the throttle in first gear, if you tap it, bro, it's just like, it's like, oh, like, what the fuck? This shit is gassing me, like, to a level. Oh my days. This thing's gassing me. Absolutely gassing me. And there's a fat bus in the way. That bitch needs to flipping. Go, man, go, you're fine, you're fine. This fucking guy. I would not have waited for that boss. Fucking beautiful, man. It sounds so good. And there's a car behind me, yeah. My car will skirt his car on night work. That car will smoke my car like a spliff, okay? It would not look too good. I'm trying to let this guy go ahead, fam. guy's taking it. This guy, I don't know why. I just don't. He's driving too slow. In third, you can't hear it. It's the lower gears. When you put it in the lower gears, it is a noisy ass car. Let me tell you, so noisy, and I love it. All about noise, man. I'm all about noise. All right, let me put it in second and give it a little pull. Ah, so many cars in the way, man. In third, it's not as loud in third. Oh shit, they might clock me, fam. Fucking hell, fam. She wanna happen to me? Fam, that was I think that was someone who works with me, and I'm not letting him see me, fam. What the fuck? Oh my, I got a GoPro on my head. I don't want him to see me. Oh, I think I recognized him as anything. Fuck. So I'm driving past my workplace to on this drive. This guy's crazy, fam. Can't hear it as much in third, man. It's first. In first, this thing screams in first gear. The cone filter legit screams. Like, oh, it's like, bruv, if you look, I assume the air filter is basically doing what a girl would do when you do anal for the first time. That's what I think. That's what the air filter does. It just screams. But yeah, basically this video is pretty much just gonna be me getting gassed about the flipping my air filter, basically. But yeah, if you are enjoying this video so far, leave a like, you know, and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1K. That's like the goal. That's the goal. We're trying to hit 1K by the end of the. I wouldn't say it. No, we're trying to hit 1K. There's not necessarily a deadline, but we're trying to hit 1K. I love this flipping, like the filter. Oh, the best mod I've done so far is this filter. 100%. 100% is this cone filter. Is the best mod I've done. I swear to you, man. This it just makes your car so much. I feel like when you add noise to your car, it just makes your car just more fun. It just does. I don't know why, but it just naturally just makes your car more fun when you just add extra. I don't know how much is coming off on camera. That's the thing. Like, I hope you guys can hear it. Like, you can't, it's just so hard to, I don't know. You can't really hear, in third gear, you can't hear it that much, but in second and in first, it's just ridiculous. And it's literally a Halfords air filter. I literally got it from Halfords, literally £20, bought it, and I was just like, you know what? Hopefully it's got a little bit of a roar, because that's the whole point. I want to be able to like hear the car. Like, I want to be able to like hear my engine, basically. I know that some people will be like, oh, you might as well just put some of you might just be like, oh, you might as well put an exhaust in the car. I would do that, but the only problem is that I have a Corsa. Like, if I buy a exhaust, it's basically gonna cost like a quarter of how much I paid for my car. It's like, I don't know whether it's worth it, and I don't make money from YouTube. I literally just like make money from working. So I don't know how worth it is. I'm trying to say, basically, that's the point. I don't know how worth it is. I'm going to take the first exit here, because why is this window all misted up? I can't see shit. Baby. Can I take a, wait, new road? Oh, can you park? You can go in there. All right, I'm gonna go in here. Maybach outside. Fucking tight as a bitch, dude. So we have made it to my destination. I'm pretty much just gonna park up and we're gonna end the video here. It was a little quick drive. It wasn't anything too long. No, I just wanted to show you guys my filter and what it's sounding like, etc. Let me just slap it here. And yeah, man. Also, like, let me know what you guys think. Definitely let me know what you guys think of the filter. Because honestly, I'm so happy with it. I think it sounds flipping sick. Like, let me pop the hood of this thing. Let me pop the hood and show you guys what this thing's looking like. Like literally normal Halford's air filter, and it's making that much noise. Madness, fam. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. It sounds sick, as you guys can hear. You know, it gasses me. You know what I'm saying? Like, car guys, we just get excited about the simplest things. Like, it'll be anything, just the noise of a car, and it will just literally just make you bare happy, basically. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. You know, I did enjoy this quick little drive. If you want to see me do more of these, definitely let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.